golden hour is that magical time of the day. It's great for photography. It's the hour or so just when the sun starts to arrive and leave our skies. But that doesn't mean there aren't other great times of the day to make the most of the sunlight to create an atmospheric and moody shot. I'm here outside this theatre and I've come around the back of it because the sun's still quite low in the sky. Here we are, beginning of autumn, and the sun's shining through the trees on the other side of the road, and it's creating a kind of lovely dappled effect on the outside of this building, but also some really, really strong shadows. So that's what I'm going to try and capture with this shot. So what I've done, I've deliberately placed myself around to one corner of the stage door here, and what that's done, a few things. I've got a great shot of the writing above the stage door and the sign that pokes out. But more importantly, it's the sunlight that's shining through the tree on the other side of the road, and it's creating these long shadows. It's early autumn right now, and it creates a mood. And with the colours painted on the rendering on this building, it almost has a Mediterranean sort of sense to it. Now, what I'm going to do, because there's a lot going on in this image, I'm just going to punch in on my 2x zoom lens, and that really gives me the stage door, the writing above it, and these beautiful long shadows cascading across the frame. I'm going to get a couple of those. Really, it's the sunlight and the angles, the sharp angles, the sharp lines that are almost as sharp as the objects that the sunlight's shining through that are capturing my eye here. And I think maybe framing up so the stage door, the writing, which I thought would be the point of interest to begin with, is on the left, and really I'm creating the space on the right of the frame for the shadows as they fall across. And then one more, just to create a trio of images, a triptych if you like, focusing in just on the writing above that stage door. It's wonderful, we've got the triangle of that kind of aerial truss above the door there, but the elongated shadow. So even though we're focusing in on the detail, there's an awful lot of interest here. And that, I think, could be the winner because, I mean, let's see in a moment, but normally the stage door, the writing you think would be on the top third, meeting that top third line, but by angling up, really the stage door is just context, and it's the light hitting that aerial, it's all of the wiring on the outside and the sharp angular lines that really steal the show here. All right, really excited by the different way that shot panned out to how I envisaged it when I first stood in front of here. Let's take a look to see which ones have really, really worked. What I really love about this shot is the sense of what's not in it, and that is the sunlight, this light source coming from the left of the frame that is creating the shadows to the right. I can also see the tree that's breaking up the sunlight. So I've got these sharp shadows, and I've got the more fuzzy, softer shadows to the left. There's a lot going on in this image, and as I look at it, I kind of want to pinch in and zoom in a little bit. So that's what I would like to improve on, I think, again. With this image, what I tried to do was to create more space from the shadows. So by looking at positioning my initial points of interest to the left and leaving space on this canvas to the right, I'm able to celebrate these long shadows. And it's sort of successful, but I think it does need a tighter crop, really, to tell this story as best as it can be. Straight out of the door, I love this image. There's a really strong mood here, and that starts off really with the strength of the shadows. Look how sharp, you can barely even tell where the shadows begin and where the objects that are casting the shadows end. The image has got a kind of monochrome sense to it as well. This would probably work really nicely as a black and white image. Very clearly the sun coming in from the left though, and a little surprise is the way on this vertical bit of metalwork the sun has caught it and created a real highlight. there's a really strong sense of mood, of tone, of contrast here, and that's why this image has just exceeded my expectations of what I thought it could be when I pressed that shutter button.